Hey guys, it's Ellen here. Don't you just love the beach, especially the sunset? Well, I went to the beach the night and I took this photograph, and I kind of want to interpret it in a mini Monday Madness watercolor. It's a little different, but I kind of like it just the way it is. So let's get started with the tutorial, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Okay, so here we have my 3x3 inch square piece of Arches 100% cotton cold press paper. My paints, I'll be using some Holbein cadmium yellow deep, Prussian blue maybe, carmine. I had this phthalo blue, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. And I think I'm just going to use my cheap turquoise. I cannot get the Holbein turquoise on the site that I'm looking for. It's just sold out. So paper towels and my brush. I'll most likely be using this Princeton long 8 round. And this particular painting is from a photograph that I took when I was on the beach the other night at sunset. If you had followed some of my YouTube stories, I posted a story about being on that beach with the sunset and the sky, and it was really pretty. So I just kind of sketched like a pencil line, like 3/4 way down, going across, and this section here, which is the reflection and the water, just to know where to stop, put the grays and put the blues. Gonna start by getting the middle to the top wet with water, a fair amount of water. And then we're gonna have to do a gradient. So it's going to be this yellow. This is a little too bright, so I'm gonna have to tone it down just a smidge. I'll put the little carmine. This is carmine red. And the yellow. Just a smidge. And that carmine bright, pretty color will be our orange. So we're gonna grab that yellow that I mixed with a little carmine. I'm gonna kind of throw that in the middle. If you want to get a little brighter, you can. And we're going downward. And then we're going to clean off our brush and grab this carmine color. And go back on here with the yellow. Grab that carmine. It's supposed to be this intense orange. Grab that carmine and yellow again, mix it. So I'm getting this intense orange, pinky yellow. If it's not the same, don't worry about it. I'm getting as close as I can with the colors that I have. I could even grab that bright rose that I have over here and go in here and grab it, put it in there. Again, it's more yellowy orange, so I'm putting some more yellow in here. And then up top, I'm gonna grab that turquoise. Just a little watered down though. You don't want it too bright. See, I got that a little too bright. Because it's a deeper, darker sky. And I'm going to have to lift up my paper. I taped it down on this piece of cardboard. I'm going to lift it so it blends down at an angle. I'll just clean off my brush. I'll grab some water and let it bleed down in there. And then I'm going to grab some of this Prussian blue, just a little bit, teeny bit. Not too much. Put it on the top edge and have that blend down a little bit. Gonna clean up my brush, and then I'm gonna put some water right next to that and have that blend right down. Gonna go back and grab my turquoise. I'm trying to get this nice like ombre from the Turk. You know, it's a little tricky because it's starting to look like a rainbow, and I don't want it to look like a rainbow. Go grab that yellow. So you kind of want to blend it. So I'm taking off some of the paint off my brush. I'm grabbing some of the paint off. And I'll go back and add some of that yellow. I don't want it to be green. Go back and grab some of that pink. It's difficult when it's a watercolor. When it's a acrylic painting, it's easy to blend it. Watercolor is tricky. So now I'm going to add that darker color up there. Now, for the bottom half, it's more like a dark gray, so I have that Prussian. I'm going to grab some black and mix it with the Prussian blue. Because I don't want it just black itself. But before I do that, I'm going to do that pink, kind of palish pink blue reflection. So I'm going to clean up my brush, and I'm just going to grab that area right here where the reflection will be, and grab that pink color with a little bit of yellow on the edge. Again, grab that pink color and let that dry. We're also going to be putting this gray blue color over in the pink area too. Alright, so I have this Prussian-y blue mixed with some black. I'm going to build this one up. So we're going over in here. And touching it in here. Try not to hit it too close. You don't want it to blend in too much. Okay, so I dried this. Now I can go back in. If you have some white gouache, so you have it right here. I'm going to grab it on the tip of my paint brush. You want a teeny bit of water so it's more opaque. And you can go in just a little teeny ocean lines so you can see the water here. See, that's the ocean part. And then I go back in, grab that blue gray, get back in here where it's the sand part, which is more gray. And then that's the water part again. I'm adding the same blue and Prussian blue. It's a little drier. Okay, it doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. So I'm just going to dab in some darker blue tones like that. And then you can put a little few ones in here so it feels more like a reflection of the water. And there you go. I thought it was cute. Little beach sunset mini Monday madness. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button to know when my tutorial's up. Take care, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.